Just be still. Know that I'm God. I'll take care of it. And when it happens, you'll know it's God. Good evening, good evening. I'm just getting in from the salon and I'm getting ready to prepare my hair for a style for the weekend. And I'm going to be using some rods. I'll be using these color rods. They're not really small. My daughter did some moving and organizing and brought these Ziploc bags full of rods and rollers here to me. And I realized that most of them were initially mine from when I had relaxed hair or loose natural hair. So I'm getting them back and I'm going to use them. That I have some setting gel in here by Sisterlocks, and a little thing came loose. And so this is what I'm trying to do. I was trying to get this out. I was trying to do it with my hands, but it didn't work. I'm hoping to get some pretty tight curls with these rods. I thought I had a little bit of hair, but I have to realize that the longer the hair, the more hair it seems to be on the rod. Oh.
there's no way I can sleep with these rods in my head if they were on the side and the back. And so I am adding some sponge rollers to the side.
So I put all the rollers in my hair, and then I decided to put some plaits in the back, or braids, whatever you may want to call them. Good morning, good morning. If I look a bit sleepy, it's because I am tired. I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair down from last night. And guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I put braids in the back, rollers in the front. I'm just gonna take these rollers out first, and we'll see where we go from there. I definitely have curls. I definitely have some curls. And I just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you, subscribers, for all that you do. Thank you for waking up and making me feel like you look for me on YouTube. And if you've not subscribed to this channel yet, please go ahead, click that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will know every time I upload a video. But last night, this is what I did, and I will show you in the next clip if it does not come before this clip. It all depends on how I see it flowing in my mind as I edit the video. You know, at the end of most of my videos, I will tell you that this is a sister who loves her locks, who loves her friends, family, subscribers, followers. But I especially love God because He's just been so good to me. And when I'm saying that, I really mean it. I really mean it. There's a verse that says, "Now unto Him who is able to do exceedingly and abundantly above all that we could ask or think." And I am realizing that every day, there are things, incidents that happen in life, and we have no control over. We could never have imagined it happening to us. And that happened in my family. But God said to us, through my son sharing this scripture with me, "Be still and know that I am God." Said, "I will be exalted." You know what God is saying? You don't have to do anything. You don't have to do anything. Just be still. Know that I'm God. I'll take care of it. And when it happens, you will know that it is me. You'll know that it is me. You'll know it's God, because you can't do anything about it. That's how God works. That is just how God works, and that is how he has been working. Yes, God is such a great God, doing exceedingly and abundantly above all we could ask or think. I am not taking these braids completely out because I am getting ready to go out to breakfast with my husband. And it was his idea, and he's dressed already. And so I am going to take out the ends of the braids, and so that it can just hang underneath the curls. And I'm not going to play with these curls either. I'm going to let them just fall where they may. I'm going to see what it looks like right now. Don't want to hold him up too long. I realize my braids go further up than I thought they did. And I'm going to take a look at what the back look like. I think it's going to work, guys. I think it's going to work. So while I'm in the car, take the braids out. Just the ends of my braids. I'm going to take those out, and you know about this part, right? Where I flip it over to the other side. Okay, I think he's waited for me long enough. So I'm going to stop that. I'm going to smooth these back. And I'm going to do my 360. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my family, my friends, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because he's been so good to me. And now, my 360. Have a great day.